In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a promo code on Duolingo, the popular language learning platform. Whether you're new to Duolingo or a seasoned user just looking to make the experience even better, using a promo code can be a fantastic way to get access to new features or perks that enhance your language learning journey. So if you've got a promo code at hand and want to know exactly how to use it, you're in the right place. First, you'll want to fire up your favorite web browser and go to the Duolingo redemption page by typing in https://www.duolingo.com/redeem. Once the page is up, you might already see the spot to enter your promo code, but hold on just a second before you do that. If you're not already logged into your Duolingo account, the website will likely prompt you to do so. A quick tip here: if you aren't yet logged in, make sure to enter your username or email address and password accurately to avoid any login issues. Having quick access to these details is always a plus, so you might keep them stored somewhere secure and easy to access, such as a password manager. Assuming you've successfully logged in, you should now see the area where you can enter your promo code. This is typically a box right in the middle of the page, clearly labeled and ready to go. Promo codes are usually a mix of letters and numbers. Double check that you've entered the code correctly, paying special attention to any capitalization or special characters. This is crucial because even a tiny mistake can cause the code to be rejected, and nobody wants that frustration, right? Once you've input your promo code correctly, let's move on to the next step. You'll see a button nearby labeled Redeem. Go ahead and click that. This is the moment of truth, when your code gets processed. The system may take a few moments, so don't worry if you don't see instant feedback. After a short wait, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your code has been successfully redeemed. This is your ticket to enjoying whatever special features or bonuses your promo code entitles you to. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your promo code on Duolingo. This process is pretty straightforward, but following these steps ensures a smooth experience. Getting the redemption right the first time means you can dive back into your language learning without any interruptions. If you ever run into problems, it's a good idea to double check the promo code for any typos or errors, and consult Duolingo's help resources if necessary. So, go ahead, explore those new features or benefits unlocked by your promo code, and enjoy your enhanced Duolingo experience. Thanks.